Yeah! Tamasik.
Yeah, tamasik.
Tamasik. Halo. Matema, Tonga. Yeah! Samoa sia. Matema, Tonga.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we all come here to celebrate. And we need to be happy. Yes, we all need to be happy, no matter what. As Tongan+Samoan, we all come here to celebrate this new coming. Let's go, Tongan. There's two. I divide my speech only into two parts. The first one is I'd like to explain our Tongan culture and how we connect, with this celebration. Again, there's a reason why we do this, and I would like to explain. Sorry, when I was at school in Tonga, not in New Zealand, my English was fake. I couldn't believe English is very important, but today, my wife teaches me how to speak in English. The first part of my speech, I'd like to explain what the hell I am. I mean, here standing in front of Lucky, and try to explain. First one is, my wife is Lucky's elder sister. This is my twin. Yeah. I want to tell you, if you got a twin someone there, don't bring them, bring me. We're here to celebrate. That's what I'm trying to say. Today, there's a reason why we put the money on top of my daughter's head. It doesn't mean to show we are rich. No. It shows our respect. The second part is, we call it in Tonga, tu'anga. With the tapa, this. And every time, sometime, you can make it or not, but it's all up to you. But today, we put this one there, and we donate the money, we donate the tu'anga, and all what we got at the front to the new couple. Sorry, I think it's a bit long, but I'd like to explain. Because we both come to a different culture, but we all one. Okay? That's the first part of my speech. You guys know where I come from? We all come all the way from New Zealand to celebrate this. Since the All Black didn't make the final, we cried. But today, we all come to a wonderful time with all my dear family. Okay? That's the first part of our celebration today. With all the money we got, I'm sorry, I don't want to tell you how much we got. There's not much. But as long as you got something on top of their head, to celebrate or to give it to the new couple. With all the tu'anga we got, I will give it to the new couple. Okay? The second part of my speech today, it's just advice to my son, Lecky. Lecky, I'm not sure if you understand what the KISS stands for. KISS. It stands for in the Palangi, because they create this word. It's Palangi where they say, KISS is so sweet. That's what we need. But in the Samoan and the Tongan culture, they say, KISS is so stupid. Lucky, I want to be sweet. I want both family to be sweet about this. And today's celebration, I will share with you, it's a lot of time, we know that. In any church you go to, Methodist, Catholic, they always people celebrate. they separate. You know? They don't know what the secret about marriage. Son, Letty, tell you today what the secret is. Listen to me. And if you doubt about what I'm saying, go and ask your sister. The secret of marriage is there's only one way. Only one way. In rugby, it's a convict sport. You hit me, I hit you. You hit me high, I hit you low. In marriage, there's no way. In marriage, there's only one way. And this only way, you listen to the Bible this morning. The scripture says this morning, man, stand up, follow your woman. Follow the woman. And the secret is like one way. Listen to Rachel. Listen to her. Listen to the Amamente. If they got a Tawas, love the Tawas. If you got a dog, love the dog. Don't hit the dog. But you most people they say, oh, Lecky, listen. You only married with Rachel. And that's it. Lecky, that's a lie. That's a lie. If you don't believe me, ask your sister. One way. Only two ways. Thank you, darling. Yes, darling. That's it. No more. Listen to me. For you to last on your marriage, it's only one way. Listen to the woman. Listen to the woman. You know? And at the end of the day, I'm sorry I come all the way from New Zealand. I share my first part, second part, and the third part is I show you how I can dance. Let's celebrate! DJ, hit me! Sorry, the first one, like I said, I'll ask my sister's daughter to remove the money and give it to one way. He said, hit me and hit me hard. Everybody!
Siva! Tongan! Sepe!
One way only.
I'd like to invite all the Hamas family to just come and join us. What we're doing is we'll celebrate our family in one program. Hey!